In today's video, I have something very special for you. It's the OnePlus Watch 2, a smartwatch that claims to have a 100-hour battery life and run on Wear OS 4. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this amazing OnePlus Watch 2, from its specs, features, performance, and price. So without further ado, let's get started. The OnePlus Watch 2 is the successor to the OnePlus Watch, which was launched in 2021 and received mixed reviews. The original OnePlus Watch had a limited operating system that only supported a few apps and features, and it had some issues with accuracy and connectivity. The OnePlus Watch 2, however, promises to be a huge improvement with a dual-engine architecture that runs two operating systems, Wear OS 4 and RTOS. Wear OS 4 is the latest version of Google's smartwatch platform, which offers a lot of customization and functionality, such as Google Pay, Google Maps, and thousands of third-party apps. The RTOS is a simpler operating system that handles the basic functions of the watch, such as health monitoring, notifications, sleep tracking, and GPS. The OnePlus Watch 2 can switch between these two operating systems seamlessly, depending on what you need to do. The main advantage of this dual-engine architecture is that it allows the OnePlus Watch 2 to have a massive 100-hour battery life in standard smartwatch mode. That means you can use the watch for up to 4 days without charging, which is impressive for a smartwatch with a 143-inch AMOLED screen, a Snapdragon W5 chip, and a 500 mAh battery. The screen is also protected by a 2.5D sapphire crystal, which is very scratch-resistant and durable. The watch case is made of stainless steel, and the bottom case is made of plastic with two-color injection molding. The watch comes in two colorways, black steel and radiant steel, and it weighs about 80 grams with the strap. The strap is made of fluororubber, which is comfortable and water-resistant. The watch is also waterproof to 5 ATM, and it has been tested to withstand extreme temperatures. The OnePlus Watch 2 also has a lot of sensors and features to track your health and fitness. It has a heart rate sensor, a blood oxygen sensor, a stress detection sensor, and a snoring detection sensor. It can also track your sleep quality and provide guidance based on your historic sleep data. It can also track over 100 sports modes, including running, cycling, swimming, yoga, and more. It has dual-frequency GPS to ensure accurate location tracking, and it can sync with your smartphone to display your workout data on the O Health app. The watch also supports Bluetooth calling, so you can answer or make calls from your wrist, as well as listen to music from Spotify or other streaming services. You can also use Google Pay to make contactless payments, and Google Assistant to control your smart home devices or get information. The OnePlus Watch 2 is compatible with any Android smartphone running Android 8.0 or later, as long as it has a GMS version of 23 and above. It does not support iOS or Android Go devices. The watch has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM, which is plenty of storage for your apps and music. The watch also supports fast charging, which can give you 24 hours of power in just 10 minutes, or a full charge in 60 minutes. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the OnePlus Watch 2, and if you would buy one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.